Hello, Super Readers! Welcome back to Phonics Fun Land. This is Lesson 9. Today we are blending 4 sounds together. We will use our Group 3 letters and some letters from Groups 1 and 2. Get your mouth ready. Get your brain ready. Let's read. Let's say our sounds. S, A, T, I, P, N, K, E, H, M, D, G, A, O, F, B. Fantastic! Let's blend. Listen carefully. Me, mel, melt. Now repeat. Me, mel, melt. D, dir, dra, g, drug. Now repeat. D, dra, dra, g, drug. You're doing amazing. D, dra, dra, drum. Now repeat. D, dra, dra, drum. G, gur, gra, b, grab. Now repeat. G, gur, gra, b, grab. Strong reading. P, pour, pawn, d, pond. Now repeat. P, pour, pawn, d, pond. Full, flip, flip. Now repeat. Flip, flip. Wonderful. K, cool, clap. Now repeat. K, cool, clap. List, list. Now repeat. List, list. Great job! Flag. Now repeat. flag, flag, aw, gaw, ooh, gall, golf. Now repeat. Aw, gaw, ooh, gall, golf. Super smooth. Ooh, bowl, bulb. Now repeat. Ooh, ball, bulb. Fur, aw, frog, frog. Now repeat. Fur, aw, frog, frog. Hop, hop, frog. Ooh, foo, ah, flap, flap. Now repeat. Ooh, foo, ah, flap, flap. Excellent! Wow! Today you blended 4 sounds in every word. Your reading brain is getting stronger and stronger. Give yourself a big clap. Excellent! If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to Phonics Fun Land. See you in Lesson 10, Super Readers! Keep reading!